To send money from the UK to Bangladesh, follow these steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate. Check the current exchange rate to ensure you get the best deal. Next, choose a money transfer service that suits your needs. Options include banks, online money transfer services, and specialist providers. Research and compare fees, exchange rates, and transfer times to find the best option. Popular services include TransferWise, Z Money Transfer, and PayPal. Once you have selected a service, create an account if you do not already have one. This typically involves providing identification and contact information. Verify your account to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. After verifying your account, initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy. Choose your payment method, which can be a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Be aware that some payment methods may incur additional fees. Review the transfer details, including the amount, exchange rate, and fees. Confirm the transfer and wait for the funds to be processed. The transfer time varies depending on the service and payment method, but most transfers are completed within 1 to 3 business days. Finally, track the transfer and notify the recipient. Most services provide tracking information, allowing you to monitor the status of the transfer. Inform the recipient of the transfer details, including the expected arrival time and any necessary collection information. When sending money from the UK to Bangladesh, consider the following best practices. Compare services to find the best exchange rate and lowest fees. Use a secure and reputable service to protect your funds. Be aware of any transfer limits and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. By following these steps and best practices, you can send money from the UK to Bangladesh efficiently and securely. Always research and compare services to find the best option for your needs and budget.